Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that like button. Please feel free to leave me a comment about Sophie and Toffee, what you like about it, what you don't like. Send me some pictures of art you've made. I'd love to see the creations you make with your Sophie and Toffee box. It's red. Ooh, that's pretty. I have a pink one, a pink box, a teal box, a yellow, I think, and then I've got the purple and white striped one that's bigger than this. When you do a big order, it's not the Elves box though. It just says Sophie and Toffee in like metallic silver. But yeah, this is pretty. Red for Valentine's Day. It goes pink and red. Valentine's. My hubby got me some roses. They're really pretty. They're like yellow with a hint of red. Here's the booklet. Snow Globe Frame. February Elves box. And they've got a little Polaroid cartoon picture. And here's last month's winners. Or not last month's. This was a few months ago. Their blog. Their different websites, Elves box, Facebook, instructions on how to make stuff. So these are the regular items. You get a snow globe, frame mold, 2-to-1 resin, shaker oil, fairy lights, 3 containers of glitter, some shaker film, and the premium add-ons are a little snow globe, keychain photo frame mold, resin mold, some UV resin, some black pigment dye. Oh, these are really cute. A light green and a light pink keychain, heart keychain, and some little bales and hoops. And then here, this is next month's theme. I think that's why the packing peanuts are these colors for the Be Happy theme. They didn't have packing peanuts the last few months, but I'm happy they're back. All right, let's get into it. Set that aside. There it goes, so you can see the theme. So here's just some shaker film. Nothing fancy. Peel off the sides. You cut it to your shaker mold and then glue it down with UV resin. Speak of the devil. Ooh, this was not on there very tight. So here's some UV resin, 25 grams. And this is one of the premium add-ons. Black pigment dye. That looks really good. Wondering if it says transparent clear, so it's probably not very opaque. I actually have this brand and this brand. I actually should do a test. Maybe I'll do that at the end of the video. I'll test the 3 different brands and see how Sophie and Toffee Black holds up to Let's Resin and I don't even know, Lamino dyes. I'll do that at the end. Okay. Alright, let's see what else. Oh, these are so cute. So you only get one of each. I wish we got a couple. But they are just adorable. So it's just a little heart clasp like that. I'm actually making some keychains right now for some friends, and I got a couple orders, so maybe I will use those. They're so adorable. And here's just some loops to go with them, and a little backing. tassels. All right. I'm gonna save the glitter for last. And here we've got some 2-part epoxy resin. It looks really clear. I'm excited to try this. Where can we put this? Alright. Oh, this is a little... Here's our food grade shaker oil. It's a little squishied. Here, let me open it. Let some air in there. Okay. Seriously? Okay, I had to use my teeth. There we go. Get some air in there. It's not shaping up. Do I need to poke it? I just grabbed a little. There we go. There we go. I wish it had the little needle top. I have one, but I don't really, it doesn't squirt very well, and when I press hard, the juice comes out of this area, which is kind of a bummer. Anyways. And for the molds, they're pretty thick. Damn, girl, you thick. And well packaged. That's kind of cool how it has like the old school film reels. At my school, we had to turn in our first film on real film, and we had to edit it on real film. I don't think that's a rule anymore, but kind of funny how everything's digital now. I think they just wanted us to know the real process of the old school process of editing and filmmaking. I don't know why we had to go through it. It's not like it was digital wasn't around then. I'm not that old. And then here's the large. This is a big one. Some ASMR crinkle sounds. That's pretty. So you could print out a photo, put it in here. You'd probably have to seal the photo with like Mod Podge or something. And next we've got some little fairy lights. Let me put these more in the frame. These are the goodies. There. I'll show you the color. I've got quite a few of these in warm and cool tones. And then, last but not least, glitter! You've got some hearts, like Valentine's Day, and then some gold hexagons, and some white snow glitter. Cute. Well, that is the Sophie and Toffee Elves box. Kind of short, but sweet. I hope you guys had fun checking it out. I'm so excited for next month, like that. The bee one, I hope that's really cute. Oh, wait, I'm going to show you something. I'm going to make one of these. Okay, so it's been 24 hours and I realized I made a mistake and I should have thoroughly read the instructions. I was just so excited to break into this and start playing with it. I didn't think I was as excited about this project as I am, but it's Valentine's Day and I'm putting in a picture of me and my husband, and it just seemed really fun and cute. But why didn't I? This I think is supposed to be the front. Oh, here. Maybe I should just read the rest of the instructions. So this is the back. And this is the front. Yeah, but it wouldn't matter because I'm still gonna make this the front because it's the only clear one. Maybe I'll do a gloss layer in here and on here, and that will make it see-through. Well, it's worth a shot. So I probably should have let the black dry in here. It bled a little bit, but I don't hate it. It still shows the film pattern. And Sophie and Toffee resin is amazing. This is my very first time working with it. It's crystal clear. Like, look at how glossy that is. I just love it. Alright, so this is the finished product. Here is my snow globe frame. I'm hoping you guys learned something from my failure, so when you guys do it, it's much more a success. And then I definitely love this little little shadow box. Mickey and Minnie kissing, and I like the little film frame and the shadow in it. Looks so cute and cool. This turned out awesome. I really love this one. This one, meh. It was a good learning experience for next time. I hope you guys had fun with me. I hope you learned something. I really appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like and hit subscribe. And I will see you next time. Bye. Okay, so here's the part where I promised you guys I would test all 3 black resin dyes that I have. So here's the first one. This is in the little poodle. The cat has Lit's resin, And then this is just the back of the little film strip that I just made with the Sophie and Toffee black dye. Okay. Just got a little fingerprint on the back. So really, they're all pretty opaque. I would say Sophie and Toffee leans to more of a brown black, just a tad. And this Lamino, I'm probably butchering that, tends to be more of a blue black. You know how blacks can be like red based, brown based, blue based. This is definitely a blue based. It even has little blackberries on it that are kind of bluish. So yeah, I mean, other than that, I would say the opacity is best on Sophie and Toffee, and the Lamino, I feel like Let's Resin is a little more transparent, but not much. I mean, they all turned out really good. And I really love that Sophie and Toffee resin. It's just so clear. Look at that, there's no bubbles. It's got my little fingerprints on it from some of the oil that I put into the other shaker I got on here, but looks really good. Okay, so just want to show you that really quick in case you were wondering. I should try it with some